Okay, so welcome back. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do an example of solving another trigonometric equation. This one's a little bit more complicated. So we have 2 cosine theta minus 3 is equal to negative 5. And so what we're going to do is we're going to solve this until we have the trig function on one side and everything else on the other side. So we're going to isolate the cosine theta. So again, I'm just going to add 3 in this case to both sides. And so when I do that, that's going to give me 2 cosine theta is equal to negative 2. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And now I get cosine theta is equal to negative 1. And so now, notice that the interval that we're on, so we're restricted to 0 inclusive to less than 2 pi. Okay? And so we want to know what angle satisfies, that the cosine of what angle satisfies is equal to 1, or negative 1. Well, there's only going to be 2 solutions, right? Well, actually no, there's going to be 1 solution in this case. Because cosine is only negative 1 at what angle? Well, it's 1 at 0. Okay? It's negative 1 at pi. So again, you can use the unit triangle because this is going to be a 90-degree angle, right? So cosine of 270 degrees, or excuse me, of 180 degrees is equal to negative 1. And again, there's lots of different things you can look at. You could picture the graph, right? And you know that it starts at 1 and goes down to 0 at pi over 2 and then goes to negative 1 at pi. Okay? So halfway through the circle it's at negative 1 and then it goes back to 0 at 3 pi over 4, right? And then it goes back to 1. So we know that theta in this case is going to equal pi. And that's the solution. Have a great day.